Here's how to see who viewed your Facebook story. So Facebook lets you easily see who has viewed your stories. Here's how to do this. Open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on your story in the top of the screen to view it. And at the bottom of the screen, tap on the eye icon, which will show the view count. You will then see a list of people who viewed your story. Regarding seeing viewers of other people's story, Facebook protects privacy by not showing who viewed someone else's story, which is a good thing. This allows everyone to enjoy stories freely and comfortably. So everyone who views your story will be on your viewer list. Stories and their viewer list are active for 24 hours. Views from both Facebook and Messenger are counted together. And using the official Facebook app is the safest way to check your viewers. Facebook does not support third-party applications for this. So that's it. I hope you're clear about seeing who viewed your story on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.